Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with a sneaker haul video today, guys. This haul has about 2 sneakers in here, and this one I believe is from Supreme, so we got a little bit of mix of sneakers and hypebeast stuff. But one of these sneakers I am dubbing early as like sneaker of the year so far, so I'm excited to open that up with you guys today. And I want to let you guys know that this is not like a sponsored video or anything, but I'm trying to provide information for you guys because I do see a strong opportunity right now in the stock market. Because everything has been kind of like on a decline right now, I feel like this is kind of like the time to buy. I'm not a financial advisor by any means, it's just I am starting to buy and stuff, so I don't know, I'm thinking it might be a good idea for other people too, especially with like stimulus checks and stuff coming in. I mean, it's probably a good time to dabble in the stock market if you guys haven't already. So I did want to mention that if you guys use the link in the description, and also I think as a pinned comment, there's this link for Webull where basically you guys get 2 free stocks when you guys sign up and you like fund your account and stuff. So what's cool about that is you guys get 2 free stocks, and I also get like I think 1 free stock or something when you guys sign up too. So it's like a win-win. If you guys did want to use that, go ahead. It's not sponsored by Webull or anything, I just have that in there if you guys want to use it and start making money with stocks. So check that out if you guys are interested. Anyway, let's get into this now. This is gonna be the first thing that we're unboxing or unbagging, and this one is from Supreme. Oh shoot, I hope I didn't cut into it. Ugh, that's close. So this is our first pickup for today, guys. This thing right here is the KAWS like Supreme box logo that just dropped, and this is probably like one of my favorite drops that have happened on Supreme in like a minute now. I swear, like all of last year it seemed like everything they were dropping was pretty lame, nothing really exciting, but this one I thought was pretty cool. And dude, I feel like I might have made a mistake on this now that I'm looking at it. I mean, it's a good cop for sure. This thing is heavy, it's a good material obviously, and I like the green color just because I've been getting into like a lot of like green shoes and stuff recently, so I needed something to match that. It's a UH color as well, where I went to college, so it's cool. It's just, I don't know, not too much going on in terms of like branding, but it's a Supreme collab. Hopefully it rises in value too. Alright, so this next shoe we actually got from Adidas Confirmed app. Like I mentioned in a couple like haul videos and stuff, I've been getting a lot of like W's on Adidas or the Adidas Confirmed app, either one. It just seems like Adidas has like either a lot more stock or things are just distributed like better. I don't know what it is. It's just I've been hitting Yeezys kind of frequently. So this is what we got over here today. Yeezy 350 box, and it is the newest release, Ash Blue Yeezy, dude. And I swear, after opening so many of these 350s, this is like the exact same colorway from like other things that we've seen before. I swear, man. Doesn't this look familiar? It's like a combination of like maybe 2 different color Yeezys in the past. So I'm not super hyped on this. I mean, it's all right. I'll show you guys up close exactly what it looks like. It does look like previous iterations of a Yeezy 350, so it's nothing really new. I don't think they've been putting like this brown tag on and like this little like, what is this, like hemp? Something like that, some kind of hemp tie. That's different. Usually it's just this tag, so that's one of the new things. Yeah, but the upper exactly the same. Yeezy 350 still has the boost on the bottom, and the one thing that strikes me on this is the blue is a little bit darker than what I like saw on like the preview images and stuff. You always try to enter for Yeezys and stuff because there still is good resale value. However, the reason why I pick up Yeezys, even though I don't wear them, I put them onto my web store at untiedhawaii.com. And so for the channel members that support me and stuff, and you know, I think they're paying like $5 a month or something, I drop these things on the website for like $150 usually, so it's like way under retail. So that's the reason why I try to get the dubs on there, not necessarily for myself, but just to give back to the Untied Ohana. Alright guys, so this is the sneaker that I have been most hyped about all year. And I gotta say that this thing has been truly slept on. I didn't even realize it came in like this special box. You guys can see over here, this is a Nike SB box, and it's the first time I've seen this. They moved away, I guess, from those colorful boxes. The shoe that we actually copped is this beauty right here, man. Oh my gosh. This thing is sick in person. Even better than the production pictures and stuff. This thing is amazing. What the F? Okay, I don't feel bad that I overpaid. I mean, I kind of do. I spent $300 more than I should have, but for the shoe itself, this thing goes hard. Now, this SB over here has 2 different names. One of them is called like the Nike SB Dunk Low Camcorder. I think the other name that they're going by is the VX1000 or something like that. Basically, it's a play off of a camcorder back in the 90s that was used to like film skating videos and stuff a lot, and that's exactly what the shoe represents, like going on in like details around it. And if you guys want to see those details up close, I mean, this thing is just fire, guys. Leather and stuff on here is like super on point, dude. Like, I think this is more like a nubuck kind of look, actually, more so than leather. This thing is kind of like harder leather. It's based off of a camcorder, so you guys can see it has like the player button, control button for sound, has like these different like audio plugs in here, has peak recording level on the back heel, white balance over here, shutter speed program. This is really nice over here. This back Nike has like this like Tiffany kind of color. And then on the bottom, I think that this is supposed to be like a record button as well, which is kind of cool. Not just a one color sole, they actually changed this up too. If you guys can kind of like peep on the inside too, you guys can kind of see it like has that timer in there, like when you start like filming a video, has the countdown timer. So that's kind of cool. And I gotta say, what I love most about this is the concept behind it, right? Like back in the 90s, like when skating was super like big, that's when Tony Hawk and the X Games were killing it, Bob Burnquist, Chad Muska, all of those guys. I was really into that scene like back in like my childhood youth. And so I remember like vividly that people used to have like these camcorders and stuff at the skate parks like all the time. Like, you know, when you guys are watching videos of people like doing those crazy grinds downstairs, they had the camcorder, or like at the skate park, they had a camcorder. Nobody had like iPhones and stuff in the past. That's why it wasn't invented yet. So people use these camcorders to like record all of those videos. Then they put it onto like VHS videos and stuff, and then that's how people would watch all of this stuff. So it was a pretty cool concept, man, and like everybody was into it. If you guys remember too, I think in Tony Hawk's Underground, like literally the whole storyline revolved around like a guy that had a camcorder and he was like trying to go pro, so he was trying to film his like tapes and stuff of him doing crazy tricks. And yeah, that was the whole concept of that video game, and I vividly remember that because it was pretty cool. So I'm really happy they made this and like put a lot of like thought and design into it. Definitely my favorite sneaker of the year so far, without a doubt. Even better than the trophy rooms and stuff. Those are played out, dude. The problem with this one too was it was a Europe only release, which is very strange because I feel like skating was biggest in the US. I don't know why they didn't do a US release, but it was only Europe, so that's why I had to pay resale. Well worth it in my opinion. But that's actually it for this unboxing haul, guys. A lot of cool sneakers in here. If you guys did like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up down below. But that's it for this video, and until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot!